Namaskaram. There is a tradition in India many people follow, which is very interesting. That is why I would like to talk about that today. When you wake up, before getting up from your bed, you look at your palm and then you recite a mantra, a 4 lines mantra. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule tu Govinda, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Then you do it like this. You warm your palm together, rubbing each other, and then do like this. You experience that warmth on your face. So what is the significance of this tradition? Many people do that in the morning. Only after doing that, they get up from their bed and then they go for their other activities. So let us try to understand the meaning of the mantra first. Probably understanding the meaning of the mantra, it will be very clear why they are doing this kind of a tradition. Every morning, the mantra is Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule tu Govinda, Prabhate Karadarshanam. That is the mantra, that is the sloka. So the meaning, Karagre vasate Lakshmi, on the tip of your fingers, Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi resides. That is the abode of goddess Lakshmi. Karagre, on the fingertips, the Lakshmi resides. Karamadhye Saraswati, on the center of your palm, Saraswati, the goddess of learning, the goddess of wisdom, the goddess of Vidya resides in the center of your palm. On the topmost of your palm, which is very close to your wrist, there resides Govinda. Govinda means the cowherd god. So here cow stands for the Jivatma, the individuals, and the cowherd is the shepherd. Good shepherd is Paramatma. So the Paramatma resides on the highest area, highest region of your palm, which is close to your wrist. So Karagre, in the fingertip, the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, resides. In the center, the goddess of knowledge, the goddess of wisdom, Saraswati, resides. On the highest area of your palm, Paramatma, Govinda, resides. So what does it mean? Is the goddess sitting on your hand? Is the wisdom god sitting on your hand? Is the Paramatma sitting on your hand? There is no any sense. But when you think once again, what is the meaning of Karagre, Karam, your Karam? Karam means your hand, your palm, your hands. The hands are the instruments for you to do your work. So they are karmendriyas. They are your instruments to do your work. Without your hands, it is very difficult to work. There are people who are working even though they do not have hands, but that is different. Usually, everybody uses their hands to work, to fulfill their duties. So, your hands are very important for you to complete your work. So, the goddess of wealth resides on your fingertips, means the goddess of wealth resides in your readiness to work. The wisdom resides in the center of your palm, means your knowledge, your wisdom resides in your readiness to work hard. Are you ready to work hard? Then the goddess of wisdom is there in the center. So, if you want to work, you need wealth and you need knowledge. Without knowledge, you cannot do any work. Without wealth, you cannot fulfill, you cannot complete activities, because for activities, definitely in one stage or another stage, you need wealth, you need money, you need that kind of ingredients. Otherwise, you are not able to work. So, the wealth element is also important. Similarly, the wealth is important. Similarly, the knowledge is important. Wealth and knowledge both are important. And the Paramatma also, if you want to see God, if you want to experience Paramatma, you have to regulate your activities, you have to do work accordingly. That is why even the Govinda, even Paramatma resides in your palm, because even your experience of God is depending upon your way of activity. How beautiful it is. Prabhate Karadarshanam. In the morning, when the sun rises, you remember the fact that my needs in my day-to-day life is fulfilled through my work. My wisdom, my knowledge is developed through my work. My spiritual growth as well. My spiritual growth also resides in my activity. So, this tradition is very much meaningful. So, those who would like to follow this tradition, I encourage them to do so, because this is a very good tradition, meaningful tradition, which encourages you to engage in your activity. Thank you. Namaskaram.